Hi, welcome back to the X4ST official YouTube channel, Science and Motivation. Today, I, George Eastwood, the virtual assistant created by X4ST, will introduce you to our beloved institution and share to you some important announcements. Without further ado, let's start this video. X4ST, short for Explore for the Science Treasures, is an educational institution that has been operating since October 2022, officially inaugurated on November 24, 2022. Initially named ICSSC, which stands for Indonesia's Computer and Science Study Club, the institution provided various science courses primarily for students residing in the Medan area, North Sumatra, and its surroundings. However, on January 14, 2024, we decided to change our name to X4ST, reflecting the evolution of our institution and our efforts to modernize and internationalize our services. Based in Medan, North Sumatra, this beloved educational institution focuses on developing both academic and moral qualities, especially for students, both from Indonesia and around the world, through various inspirational content we provide. Additionally, specifically for the Indonesian community, we offer courses both offline and online, based on the national curriculum, including courses in the international curriculum. As of today, April 15, 2024, when this video is made, X4ST has released 11 pieces of content on various platforms, including Instagram, YouTube, and Wattpad. Let's start with the content on Instagram. On our Instagram page, at science_with_X4ST, we have the X4ST Docs program, featuring various fascinating science facts, currently airing twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday. This program has been running since January 29, 2024. Additionally, we have a motivation-inspiration program for life quality development called Let's Reflect Together, also airing twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. Meanwhile, on our YouTube channel, at science_with_X4ST, we have currently released 8 main programs, with 7 programs still actively airing. Firstly, there's a program intended for students, especially at the junior high, high school, university levels. There are 2 programs in question. Firstly, the Professor Belfrost Science Class Program, which discusses various concepts in mathematics, physics, and chemistry, potentially expanding to biology and geography in the future, as well as discussing various exam questions for class exams or college entrance exams. This program airs twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Meanwhile, the second program mentioned is Professor Belfrost's Computer Science and Robotics, intended for students who want to delve into computer concepts and practice them in programming and robotics skills. For now, Professor Belfrost plans to teach in languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, a bit of assembly language, and Kotlin. As for web programming tutorials, they will focus on front-end development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and an introduction to back-end, including PHP and MySQL. This program airs every Monday. Secondly, there's a program intended for the general public, divided into 4 game and riddle programs, motivation, inspiration programs, entertainment programs, and our beloved sci-fi novel. Currently, we have 2 game and riddle programs. Firstly, we have the Game of X-Dome program, which is a puzzle-solving game to help Professor Belfrost's team escape from a cursed building called X-Dome. This program airs every Friday. Secondly, the Amuse You, Amaze Me program, which is also a puzzle and riddle game accompanied by an interesting narrative. It tells the story of a man who accidentally discovers an ancient Greek architecture temple, then tries to explore it, and unknowingly gets trapped in a game, especially word riddles, that requires him to answer correctly to safely escape. This program airs every Wednesday. We also have 2 motivation-inspiration programs on our YouTube channel, besides the Let's Reflect Together program we run on Instagram. The first motivation program is 30 Seconds Awaken Your Greatness, which used to air daily. However, after review, with a heavy heart, the X4ST community decided to discontinue this program due to lack of interest, and it was replaced with a new program. The new program in question is X4ST Motivation and Inspiration Specials, which contains various life advice, wisdom that can motivate, inspire viewers, presented in a short video format. This program airs every Tuesday and Saturday. There's also our vlog program called Professor Belfrost's Spontaneous Vlog, airing twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. Here, Professor Belfrost will randomly provide games, riddles, puzzles, or sometimes life advice that will be beneficial to anyone listening. So, don't miss this one either. Meanwhile, the entertainment program we mentioned is the Laughter Science Laboratory program. Here, we invite you to delve into funny science jokes specially prepared for you. It might have a slight scientific flavor, but even if you don't understand much about science, you'll surely enjoy the jokes. This program airs every Friday. We have also released our novel NEXUS, Inception, which is the first part of the NEXUS trilogy, on our Wattpad account at Ubikitunox. A sci-fi novel about the journey of a teenage genius in conquering challenges in the virtual world with his intelligence and the skills of his friends. New chapters will be uploaded on Saturdays. So, there will be 4 chapters per month for you to read. And the mega announcement for today is that we have launched our new official website, the first one after changing the institution's name to Explore for the Science Treasures. This website will be our platform to share information about our institution, operational, technical, and fundamental information, various online teaching materials, and also as an integrated interaction platform for our community members. So, check it out now at http://sciencewithx4st.uno.com, soon moving to https://sciencewithx4st.uno.com. And of course, don't forget to join our science discussion Telegram group by typing at X4ST_science_forum, and remember to actively share and participate in science discussions in our beloved forum. Also, we have important news. We are opening opportunities for you, X4ST viewers, to become our volunteers or contributors. What can you do? Many things. You can simply share information about our community on your social media and invite more people to join. You can also actively contribute to designing programs or curricula at our institution. And we are also planning to expand our programs to include language tutorials. Therefore, if you come from a country where English is not your native language and you are fluent in English, we warmly welcome you to become our foreign language tutors in the programs we are planning. However, if you are still unsure about it, it's okay. Just give your sincere prayers and support so that this community can continue to grow by subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing this content with your friends, and don't forget to like or comment so we can improve the quality of our content in the future. In conclusion, that's all I can convey. Very happy to share with all of you. Thank you for watching this introduction video. Keep supporting this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Stay healthy, stay motivated, stay happy, stay wise. See you later.